Now you can generate perfect lip-sync animation story videos with expressions in no time. What we are about to create might surprise you.
I'll swing higher than you.
Ha! I'm not scared. I can go higher than anyone.
With this single tool, you can produce multiple character lip-sync videos faster than you ever thought possible. All you need is an image or a video matched with a voiceover script or audio. Instantly, your animation is ready, smooth, sharp, and free from any awkward creepiness. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this type of animation step by step. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Here in ChatGPT, I will paste this text prompt. I want to create a short animated film about two kids arguing over who gets the only swing in the park. Each character should speak in a separate shot, so I can use a lip sync tool like 11 Labs. The story should feel natural, with dialogue that sounds like everyday life. I want the full story breakdown. Within a couple of seconds, we will have a complete scene-by-scene breakdown of our animation story. Next, I will ask it to give me the character details. Once our characters are defined, I will request a full scene narration, image prompts, and animation prompts in Pixar-style 3D animation. Make sure to ask it to keep the character consistency intact. Finally, we will have our scene-by-scene story images and text prompts along with narration text. Copy the first scene prompt and go to Dzine AI Tools. Under the Tools tab, choose the Text-to-Image option. The good thing about this tool is that it has many of the latest image models. For this story, I will go to the 3D style and select a model. Now I will paste our text prompt. Choose the aspect ratio to Landscape. Click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, you will get the image. And the result looks great. Now let's copy the second scene image prompt and paste it here. And here we have the perfect image aligned with our story. By following this procedure, I have generated a couple of images for the story. Once the images are ready, head over to the Image-to-Video model in this tool. Under the video models, we have almost every latest model available in one place, whether it's Kling, Minimax, or the latest VEO 3. For this animation story, I will select the Kling 2.1 Pro model. This model works best for animation-type videos. Upload the image. Copy and paste the video prompt. You can select the video duration up to 10 seconds, but I will go with 5 seconds. Click Generate and wait 2 to 3 minutes. And here we have the generated video for this image. It looks smooth with no movement issues. Here is another output from VEO 3. This video looks good too, but it costs much more compared to Kling. I have generated a couple of videos for our animation story. Let's move to the most amazing feature of this tool, lip sync. Select the lip sync option. Here we have two choices, image and video. I will explain both. On the left side, there are two generation modes, normal and pro. Let's select pro mode. First, we will test the image feature. Upload your image. Based on the characters inside the image, you can select or deselect them. I will select both characters and click Next. Now we will add the lip sync audio for each character. Here you have two options. Use the text-to-speech feature or upload your own audio. Choose the voiceover artist. Let's paste a scene narration text. Generate the audio. Apply this audio to the first character. Similarly, I will select the second character and apply the audio. Now, I will adjust the second character's audio by dragging it to the right side. The image at the top will automatically adjust. Click Generate and wait a couple of minutes.
I got here first, so it's mine.
No way. I saw it first, from the gate. That means I called it.
And here we have an amazing result, a perfect lip sync animation video. For voiceover, you can also use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs. Choose the trending option. Apply filters. Select language as English, category as character animation, and choose the age and gender. Listen to a few audio samples and pick the one that suits your project. For this story, I will select a voice and add it to my library. Now paste the narration text, apply the emotions, and your audio will be ready. Upload the audio for your characters. Generate the lip sync video.
What if we swing together? One seat, two people.
Let's test the video to lip sync option. Upload a reference video with a face in it. Select your characters. Upload the lip sync audio for each character. Adjust the timeline. You will notice the video duration is automatically adjusted based on the audio. That's a really useful feature. Click Generate and wait a few minutes.
You're just scared. I'll swing higher than you.
I'm not scared. I can go higher than anyone.
With this tool, you can create complete animation story videos with lip syncing. Right now, there is a discount available on the annual plans. With the Creator Plan, you will get 3,000 video credits to test all its features. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your discount. This tool can help you generate any animation video with lip syncing. What do you think of these new features? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.